Indian Ayurveda energy drink is king of all other energy drinks. For this we need 1 cup milk, a pinch of Kashmiri saffron, jaggery, apple 1, banana 1, almonds 50 grams, butter 2 spoons. Now let us see the preparation. Take a pan, add 2 spoons of butter and add almonds to it. Toast until it gets brown in color. Now take a blender jar, add roasted almonds and make fine powder and collect the powder in a bowl. Next, take a vessel, put it on stove and add some water and boil it. After boiling, add a pinch of saffron and mix well. After 5 minutes, add a cup of milk, little jaggery and mix them well. Allow it to boil for another 5 minutes and put off the flame. Put this mixture in refrigerator for an hour. Take a banana, peel it and cut into pieces and collect them in a bowl. Now take an apple, peel it and cut it into pieces and add 2 banana pieces. Now add roasted almond powder to these pieces and mix well. Now add saffron milk to this mixture and mix them well. Now the yummy delicious healthy drink is ready. Take this drink daily 2 times to be more energetic and more healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.